Ava.
Here, you take some pictures too.
What's wrong?
Watch the lens, babe. Watch the lens, babe.
Okay.
What? I'm kidding.
Keep pulling. Keep
It's
pulling.
Marvin Gaye and Chardonnay.
Look.
There's more. There's a surprise under here, Ava. There's a surprise under here. Look. Look.
You've never heard that song before?
Who's gonna like the paper?
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna
she
kick the
needs
box to
some
the
help.
side.
Okay.
Well, let her open up her. Well, let her open hers.
Ava, what's this? Your Uncle Nick's goof off.
Oh my goodness.
Who's this from?
Zia Tiffy?
What is it, Tiff?
It's a purse with like
What
all her
is that?
accessories. Keys and lipstick and...
Say thank you, Ava.
Thank you, Zia Tiffy. Nice. Baby,
I was waiting for a thank you.
I was weird.
Babe, do you want to just start handing them to
Yeah.
me so I can...